this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. Thank you so much once again for supporting us. Those that have subscribed to our channel, those that have liked our videos, and those that have commented in the comment section down below. We don't take it for granted. We appreciate you so much. Yesterday, I didn't upload a video because there were some things that were happening around me, and therefore I could not be able to upload the video. But here I am once again with very inspiring, very entertaining, very great information about the country we all love, the land of water and wood. And today I wanted to talk about the great influence that Jamaica has on people that visit the island. We have all seen different people going to the island and the transformation they undergo after arriving in the island. We saw Dimwango, and maybe some of you do not know who Dimwango is. Dimwango is a woman from Kenya, a YouTuber from Kenya, and she went to Jamaica the first time, and she could not resist going the second time, third time, fourth time, and fifth time. And we have seen a lot of influence, a lot of transformation in Dimwango, actually taking the culture, the character, the dressing of Jamaican people, and even the hair. Dimwango, by the time she went to Jamaica, she had a very short hair. But when she went to Jamaica, she actually desired to have dreads, to follow Rastafarian ways, and she started by growing the dreads. She braided her hair so that she can start putting on the dreads. In other words, Jamaica had a lot of character building on Dimwango. Do we call it character building or character transformation on Dimwango? She changed the way she used to stay, especially her hair, and even her way of doing things, her eating habits, her love for plantain grew. She transformed completely even her the way she was dressing. She was dressing most of the times wearing t-shirts written Jamaica and hats written Jamaica, Rastafarian colors, and this is something that happens to anybody that lands in Jamaica. There is a lot of transformation in terms of dressing, in terms of food, the way we eat, or the kind of food you eat, in terms of character, all that. You change a lot because Jamaicans have this special power, have this special ability to transform anyone that enters their island. You desire to be like them. You desire to wear like them. You desire to eat like them. You desire to live like them. Actually, we saw when Sean Arwa arrived in Jamaica, together with Dimwango, they were dancing on the streets. We all know, you and me know, that Jamaicans are known to dance everywhere. On the streets, wherever they are, they dance, they sing, they compose songs, and they love that. And we saw these two girls, when they arrived in Jamaica, they actually started dancing, singing, and having positive vibes because the character of Jamaicans is contagious. They started dancing on the streets, enjoying themselves, having positive vibes, swimming, a lot of water activity, just like Jamaicans love it. Now, the other day, I was looking at some videos in TikTok, and I saw this woman who actually shot a video on the great transformation that Jamaica has on people when they arrive in the island. She talked about day one, you'll be yourself. Day two, you start changing. Day three, you change even more. Day four, you have transformed to be a real Jamaica, a real Yadi. And I want you to see the video before even I talk more about it.
This is me 1 day in Jamaica. This is me 2 days in Jamaica. What? This me 3 days in Jamaica. Real bad man. 23 baby mothers. Yeah, real bad. Bumble club.
This is your 4th day in Jamaica. Real bad man. Rastafari. Here still have the eye. Boy.
You can see the great transformation that Jamaica has on people. This lady is trying to tell us Jamaica has a lot of influence. It has a lot of culture development on the people that visit the island. And you should believe me because Irina, who is a YouTuber in Jamaica, says that when she arrived in Jamaica, she loved the way of people, she loved the food, she loved the character of the people of Jamaica, and slowly by slowly, she started transforming to be one of the Jamaican people, to behave like them, to dress like them, to actually have seen. The other great influence that Jamaica has on people is the ragwatch. Immediately you step on Jamaican soil, you want to know the patois language. And most of the people practice the patois language. We saw different people training themselves to speak the patois language, and they are not Jamaicans. Because Jamaicans has the ability to put a lot of influence, to transform people to be like them. And that is why most of the people desire to go to Jamaica. Because you will be influenced positively. You'll have positive vibes. You'll enjoy to the maximum. You'll not have stress because Jamaicans have no time to go down in spirit, or rather to be sorrow, to be sad. They are positive people. They have positive vibes, and they are always enjoying their life and actually smiling. And they can put a smile on you because they are very, very humorous people. And this is so contagious to everyone who goes to Jamaica. We also saw Old Maya. And before even I go on, maybe I can show some videos of the Mwango enjoying the Jamaican climate, the Jamaican positive vibes, and also Shonarwa. So you can watch how these girls were really enjoying the vibes of the island and actually taking over the character of the people in the island.
I've always been taught that one needs to take their time before falling in love with somebody, someone, or a place. While I beg to differ, that was not the case for Jamaica. Trenchtown turned out to be the best place I could ever be. I was so free, and for the first time in my life, I didn't care what anybody else thought. Only thing that mattered at that exact moment was me and my friend and the people around us. We danced freely like birds in the sky. We were so happy. Our hearts were genuinely full. I have never felt this type of love for any particular place in my life. Like I said, guys, do not let the media fool you. Jamaica is much more than what you hear in the media. Jamaica has amazing people, very, very beautiful souls.
That is what I'm telling you. When you arrive in Jamaican soil, you start transforming slowly by slowly and you become one of them. You love their food, you love their way of life, you love their love of dancing and love of songs, and you become part of them. And that is why when the colonial people arrived in Jamaica, most of them adapted the culture and the way of life of the Jamaican people. And they got a lot of influence from the Jamaican people because, like I have said, their type of influence is very, very contagious. So that is what I wanted to talk about today, the way you can be transformed on arrival in Jamaica. The way you speak, the kind of food you eat, the positive vibes, the water loving. You could hear the Mongo saying every time, I love being in the water. Even up to today, she talks about it. Because Jamaica has this kind of influence on the people who visit the island. So guys, once again, let me stop there. See you during the next video. Bye-bye and God bless.